and welcome to the PlastikCity demonstration of our job centre. I'm Carl Futcher, Managing Director of PlastikCity. It's only going to take about 5 minutes, and I'll quickly show you how to post a job, view jobs, and check out the candidates. So let's jump straight in. I'll share my screen and take you straight to our homepage and be able to quickly give you that demo. Right. So what you'll do first, let's go back to the homepage, and you have several ways of finding the job section. You can either use the search bar and type in jobs, and you've got all the different things: find a vacancy, post a vacancy, find a job, available candidates, or just go to the overall job site. You can click on this icon here, takes you to industry jobs, or you can go to this icon down the bottom. So plenty of ways to get there. So let's click on it, and that takes you to the main job center platform. Right, let's go straight to viewing jobs available. If you click on this button here, it takes you straight through. You see there's quite a few different categories. We have sales, marketing, engineering, maintenance, tooling, process setting, machine operators, operations and management, and others. So you can filter, and you can go straight to look at more. You can go straight to the process and setting jobs that are available. You can click on any of these here. If you fancy the one, the injection molding technician there, you can actually click on the details. So you can see first, where is it based, when the deadline is, and then click on the detail of the job. So you can see here, this is a job for a injection molding technician. You can see all the detail there. You can have a look at what you require, the salary levels, and when the deadline is. And if you fancy applying for that job, you just click apply now, and you can attach your CV, and it'll be sent on straight to the company. Or you can just request information if you need a bit more info on the job before you consider applying. Click on request info, and it'll open a little contact window, and then you can fill in your details, add your question, and off you go. And then they'll come straight back to you. Okay. Let's go back there. We have this breadcrumb facility now, which is great for going back. So you can click on here, industry jobs, and go straight back to the main section. Right, posting a job. You want to post a job? Then quite simple. What we do say is put the details into a Word document first. Because you don't want it to time out, and when you place all the detail in there, we always recommend, certainly for the big chunks, the big bars here, put it on a Word document and then copy and paste the text in. Okay, what you can do, obviously, this is the simple information, your details, company details. If you want to put company details in, some companies may not want to show their company, but if you're quite a high profile company, it's kind of good to put your name in because you're more likely to attract candidates. You can obviously state whether you're a recruiter or not, job title, anything you want in there, you can put the detail in, responsibilities, qualifications. If you need a bit more room in the box, you can just click on down there and pull it, make it wider for you. Okay, that's the same on this one as well. Make it a bit bigger. Off you go. Right. So once you've added all that, you can see the cost is £210 for one entry. What we do is we don't just leave your job sitting there. It'll feature if there's space in our weekly newsletter, and we also post it out on social media. So unlike other job sites where they're relying on people coming to them, with PlastikCity, you can often attract people who are actually already in a job as well, and they see the job coming through on an alert we have or on a social media posting, and think, oh, that looks attractive to me. I might go and have a look at that. So you're not just going to attract people who are actively looking now. You may find somebody who's actually looking to improve what he's doing. So it's £210. If you're a partner, you get a 20% discount. That would be adjusted automatically when we send you the invoice. Okay, just tick there to confirm you accept the payment terms. And you've got there the links to what terms and conditions if you want to look at them in the privacy policy. Once you've filled it all out, click submit, and we will check it out. If everything's fine, we will get it up and live and get it out there for you. Okay. So let's use the breadcrumb back again and go back here. Right, next, view available candidates. Now, if you're looking for somebody, before you post a job, it's quite handy to look at the candidates. We often have a lot of candidates who are presently looking to, they may be unemployed or they may be looking to for a different job. And so we have a lot of candidates. Again, we split it by categories, same ones as before. As you can see, just by flicking down, there's a lot of candidates out there who are looking for jobs. So you can look and say, right, what am I looking for? If you, let's have a look at an operations and management job. You know, there's some good ones. An operation manager here. Okay, you can read more information on that candidate. Okay, he's been pretty sparse. He's just said he's got 24 years there. But let's have a look at somebody else. Maybe he's put a bit more information in. Plastic technology. Has he put a bit more in? Yeah, a bit more. So he's put there. He's got 50 years experience. What he's worked on, and he's looking to relocate to the UK. So you can check, and if you want to speak to them, you click on the request contact. And what we do is we send your details, so the company's details looking to employ this person, to the candidate. We do this for confidentiality reasons. This person would then have a look and see, yes, look at your company and see, yeah, I'm interested in this, and then they will respond and contact you direct. Okay, now, obviously, the way we work is if you do want a candidate, I should go back to the terms and conditions again, right? So if you actually want to you can request contact here for someone, okay? When you request contact, this is where you put in your name, your company, your email address, bit of a message to the candidate. Just to let you know, the way it works is we charge a 5% commission. We don't charge candidates anything to put their profile on our website or to promote it out there. But what we do charge is a 5% commission to the company that employs this person based on 12 months on target earnings. Now, if the person doesn't work out and they leave within 3 months of employment, we will provide you with a free job advert until you find a replacement. Okay, again, terms and conditions. Once you submit, you've accepted it, accept the payment terms there, and we would then, your details will be sent to the candidate, and then hopefully you'll get hold of you. Okay, let's go back to the main center again. And if you are a candidate, you're looking for a role, you can click on here and you can advertise your profile. Again, we suggest do on a Word document, get it all right. Obviously, the more information you put in there, the better, because it's more likely to attract those companies. Put everything in here. We don't show anybody your name, your email address, or your mobile phone number. Okay, it goes on anonymously. And as I said, if somebody does want to speak to you, we send you those details. So nobody knows on the website, all the information we send over, nobody knows you're the candidate that's looking for the role. Again, this is for confidentiality reasons. So put it all on there. So this is your profile displayed on the site, but as this here. Okay, and we do put there that exactly how this works. Okay, brilliant. Let's just have a look at the final thing in there, and that is what we do recommend, because we send out job alerts on a weekly basis. And what that does is it gives job of the week, it gives you candidates, latest candidates added, latest jobs that have been added. And it's pretty good for you to keep abreast of what's going on. And I say, if you see a good candidate in there, even if you're not particularly looking at the moment, you might think, oh, that could be a good addition to our team. So it's a good idea to get these job alerts. All right, great. I think that's pretty much it. I think I've covered all those sections. If you have any questions when you come to use the site, use this area, or anywhere else on the site, obviously, then you can email us, you can call us, or you can use our chat box down there. We'll obviously help you out. Right, great. I think that's it then. So let's go back, and I'd like to say thank you very much for listening, and I hope you get the most out of PlastikCity. Thank you very much.